Hi, I'm Paul from pdhsports, leading online racket specialist, and today I've got the new 2018-19 Pro Tour backpacks from Karakal. So I've got the Pro Tour 30 and the Pro Tour 20. So as you can see, two different sizes. So you know, like to think of this one as maybe it could be for a junior, or if you've not got as much kit, then it's like a nice little tidy bag to carry around. So if we have a look at the features, if I start off with the Pro Tour 30, so this is quite a large bag, so a large backpack. It's got a front accessory pocket. It's got a sort of wet kit area, so you could put your shoes or your kit over there. It's quite cool. It's all ventilated. It's got a side drinks pocket. It's got a very padded back, and padded shoulder straps. It's got another side drinks pocket, and then also, which is quite a nice little feature on the top, so again you can put your accessories, or it's got a little picture of some goggles there, so it's really for, they've designed it for putting your eyewear in there. And then you've got the one large main ventilated compartment on the front. So that's the Pro Tour 30. So if we also look at the Pro Tour 20, so this is a very similar bag in terms of features, but as you can see, quite a big difference in the size. So this is much smaller. So this bag comes with one sort of accessory pocket at the front. You've got your two drinks compartments on the side, so you can squeeze your water bottles in there. You've got the one large compartment in the centre. Again, on the top you've got your sort of eyewear pocket there. It's got the padded shoulder straps, but it doesn't have the padded back like on the Pro Tour 30. So yeah, so I thought we'd put those together so you can see the differences. You've got the two new backpacks from Karakal, Pro Tour 20 and the Pro Tour 30, and they're now available at pdhsports.com.